Discover the charm of relaxation and conviviality with the 5-piece wicker patio table set from Best Choice Products. Wyatt offers you a complete and convenient option for outdoor entertaining. This set is presented as a compact and versatile solution for various outdoor environments. With dimensions of 35.25 by 35.25 by 40.5 inches, one of the standout features is the bottle opener built into the table, adding a practical touch to enjoying drinks outdoors. Additionally, the hidden storage shelf inside the magnetic door comes in handy for storing essential items near the dining area. The unique design combines a wicker stand with a slatted metal table, providing eye-catching style and good weather resistance. The arrangement of the cracks in the tabletop facilitates automatic drainage during rain or hosing, which contributes to its durability. Discover more detailed features of this product by clicking the link in the description. You will be surprised by its unique functions. The 4 lightweight bar height stools with comfortable footrests make this set ideal for hosting family and friends during cookouts, chatting, or simply enjoying the afternoon. Setup is simple, although it should be noted that items come in 2 separate boxes, which may slightly affect transportation and assembly times. Durable materials like wicker make it durable for all types of weather, and the sturdy steel frame contributes to its durability. Considering its durability, unique design, and features like the integrated bottle opener, the set proves to be a worthy investment for those looking for an outdoor space to socialize and enjoy meals. To enjoy exclusive discounts, click the link in the description and get this product at the best price. Assembly may be complex due to delivery in 2 separate boxes, and transportation times may vary, which may affect availability for immediate use. But, in summary, the Best Choice Products 5-piece wicker table set stands out for its attractive design, practical functionalities, and great durability for those looking for a versatile set for outdoor spaces. Don't forget to click the link in the description to enjoy an exclusive warranty and fast delivery of this product.
Very satisfied with this set for our patio. It definitely takes 2 people to put together, but overall it's pretty easy to put together. Take your time to identify the correct screws and washers. Assembly took approximately 2 hours in total. Very resistant and of excellent quality.
Very sturdy, looks great, and is a good price for a space-saving place to sit and relax on the patio. It takes a little time to put together, but everything turned out great and well done. I would definitely recommend it.
Don't miss the opportunity to purchase this product. Act now and take advantage of this opportunity to transform your outdoor space with this exquisite 5-piece patio set. Click the link in our description to place your order and experience how it arrives quickly and smoothly. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and activate the bell so that you receive more content about reviews of experiences with products that will brighten your home.